I'm going to be discussing with you the idea of a community. So let's first of all talk about the purposes of a community. So a community is something that you belong to. You can belong to many different communities at one time. So the purpose of belonging to a community is having shared systems and shared vocabulary. So let's think about some communities that you may be familiar with that all have shared systems and shared vocabulary. So first thing, let's think about the military. So some of you may be from military families, and if you are, you might understand that they have their own vocabulary, their own terms when they speak. An outsider might not necessarily understand everything that that community is talking about without having to learn about it. All right. Even sports, you take different sports. The golf community is going to have a whole different vocabulary, different systems than the basketball community. So let's talk about an academic community. So, an academic community, our purpose is to have a shared vocabulary centered around learning, centered around positivity. It encourages and promotes creating, sharing, and applying knowledge. Welcome to our community.